Welcome to Joyful Adventure Audits. We're visiting the former site of Sam Weller's pub on Hill Street, Birmingham. Today in 2024 it's called The Railway. This pun on Hill Street in Birmingham has been a staple of the city's nightlife scene for decades, operating under various names like Sam Weller's and the Glue Pot and the Bright House. While we don't know the exact year the railway was built, records show it's been operating as a pub here since at least the 1970s. Back then, it was one of the most popular pre-club spots, drawing big crowds who would go on to hit clubs in the nearby John Bright Street and later Broad Street after partying here. This place saw a lot of great times throughout the 70s, 80s, and 90s. It was renamed Sam Weller's in the 90s, but kept the same cozy layout and fun energy it's always had. However, things have gotten tougher for pubs like this recently. Pubs have faced a lot of challenges in the 21st century. The 2007 smoking ban drove away some regulars. Younger generations aren't always drinking as much in pubs anymore. Then COVID lockdowns forced long closures throughout 2020 and 2021. With so many pressures, thousands of the pubs have had to shut down. But against the odds, the railway has survived and is still serving pints today. The railway is still standing strong after all these years, warming Birmingham hearts on cold nights with its cozy atmosphere. It's great to see institutions like this power through turbulent times. Here's hoping this city gem keeps its doors open for many more decades. Let us know in the comments if you have any railway stories over the years. And don't forget to check our Lost Pubs of Birmingham series to see vintage shots of other beloved watering holes from Brum's past. Drop a like if you learned something new.
And that wraps up our tour of the railway pub here on Hill Street. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into one of Birmingham's most enduring nightlife establishments. Before we sign off, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our Joyful Adventure Audits YouTube channel. Subscribing is 100% free and helps us continue documenting the history and evolution of classic pubs and other spots around Birmingham and the UK. On this channel, you can find many more videos diving deep into both current and former pubs around town. Check out our growing Lost Pubs of Birmingham series to see vintage footage and photos of now shuttered watering holes that used to be popular back in the day. We also visit plenty of existing pubs, bars, music venues and more, seeing how they are faring today. So if you love Birmingham nightlife and a peek at its history, subscribe to stay updated every time we release a new video. Thanks so much for watching this tour of the railway. We appreciate you choosing Joyful Adventure Audits, and look forward to seeing you in the next video as we continue exploring this city we all know and love. Cheers!